Hi, good morning, students. Today, in the lesson ecosystem, we are focused on the ecological succession. Depending upon the type of nudity of the area, that is, the newless of the area, ecological or biotic succession is of two types, the primary and the secondary succession. Primary succession is the biotic succession that occurs on a previously sterile or primarily bare area. Newly exposed seafloor, igneous rocks, sand dunes, new cooled lava, sediments, or newly submerged areas are some of the examples of primary bare area. Secondary succession. It is the biotic succession that occurs in an area which became secondarily bare due to destruction of community previously present there. Destruction of previous community or secondarily bare area can occur due to forest fire, submergence by major flood, a recently cleared area left to itself, harvested crop field left uncultivated for several years, heavily overgrazed area left to itself, landslide or earthquake, severe drought for successive years, etc. Secondary succession takes 5 to 100 years to complete in case of grassland and 100 to 200 years for development of a forest. The species that are adapted to colonize newly distributed habitats are called fugitive species. The early colonies in secondary succession depend upon the condition of the soil, availability of water, presence of seed and other propagules. Sometimes the secondarily bare area may be invaded by moss, sphagnum, exotic species like Lantana camara and Eupatorium odoratum. Biotic succession on bare rocks, the primary succession. The sequence of successional changes that occur on bare rock is called lithosphere because the bare rock is deficient in water. The lithosphere is also called xerosphere. Bare rocky habitat is extremely hostile to living beings. There is no water as substratum does not absorb rainwater. There is no nutrient holding mechanism. When exposed to sun, the surface temperature goes very high. Plants cannot grow on these rocks. The first inhabitant or the pioneer of such a habitat are usually lichens in temperate region and blue-green algae in tropical region. The various cereal stages are the lichen stage, moss stage, annual grass stage, the perennial grass stage, shrub stage, climax community. And we have discussed or if not, I would like to describe this climax community. The first biotic community which develops in the bare area is called pioneer community. It has very little diversity. This stage takes longest time to change the environment for invasion of the next community. Climax community is the stable, self perpetuating, and a final biotic community that develops at the end of the biotic succession, and it is in perfect harmony with the physical environment. It is also termed as climatic or the climax community. Climax community has maximum diversity and niche specialization. Various biotic communities that develop during biotic succession are termed as seral or transitional communities. in this video this much. We shall discuss the remaining part in detail in our next video.